Rere arutwo form 4 marainĩkĩrĩria kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE Mũthĩ. Mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya gĩthomo Belio Kipsang ekinyĩtie gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Lang'ata agĩtongoria mĩhang'o ya kũhingũra container ĩrĩa ĩrĩ na igeranio ici cia mũthia na kũineana kũrĩ arutani kũnyagio macukuru-inĩ. Thutha ũcio mwandĩki ũyũ mũkaru acokete agathiĩ cukuru-inĩ wa anake wa Sunshine kũrĩa amomĩrĩirie na kũmahe hinya magĩtiriha practical cia kĩgeranio gĩa physics.
And our brothers in the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, we are very grateful because they have created a conducive environment that was able to make it possible for our children to do the examinations. Even in regions which we had experienced some insecurity, the environment was quite peaceful. This time, our children did not hear any gunshots anywhere.
Ona thengia wa moritũ marĩa arutwo na arutani makoretwo makĩgerera kumana na mũtuthũko wa COVID-19, thirikari nĩtambũrĩte arutani nĩ wĩra ũrĩa marutĩte wa kũharĩria arutwo igeranio-inĩ ici.
It was like a marathon because they started early. As soon as we opened fully our schools in January last year, they started the marathon knowing the disruptions that have been there, and therefore if there are people Kenyans needs to celebrate are our teachers. If there are people that we need to celebrate are our teachers. Because what they have done in 21 months, running 3 calendar years, 3 calendar academic years, is not anything that any of us would have done. So on behalf of all of us, we would want to most sincerely thank our teachers.
Harĩ arutwo arĩa 250 maranyitĩkanire na ũici wa igeranio cia KCPE, Belio oigĩte matingĩnengerwo kĩrĩa mataregwatĩire na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire, no matikũgirio gũthiĩ na mbere na mathomo ma secondary.
And that's why the CEO will tell you those particular kids on papers that we think they were challenges. When we were marking, we don't assign a mark to that particular paper. And the kid will therefore still get results and transition to the next level of learning, mainly at the basic education level, is a constitutional right of the child. So we cannot deny a child that constitutional right of transiting to the next level. So we only make sure that they don't benefit for what they never worked for.
Any candidate who feels that they have a query on either the way their names were captured or their marks, they have the right to request for us to verify their results. So as soon as we receive this, we verify for each and every candidate, and that is the procedure.
Arutwo acio 800 mekĩra igeranio ciao ceceni-inĩ 20,000. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmane.